Hi, I'm Adrian Paterson. I'm here at Lincoln University. I teach into conservation and ecology. I've always been impressed with the artwork around the university. It's always very striking, and I'll often stop and have a look at them. And this one really catches my eye, The Painted Zoo by Phillip O'Sullivan. It's very striking in colours. First of all, I'm from Otago, blue and gold, so that's great. Also Lincoln colours, so that's probably what stopped my gaze the first time I looked at it. But then I noticed that it had this big giant cat at the top, a leopard. Also the theme of this, I think, is something around observing animals from a zoo-like structure and so on. And this is something that we do a lot in Department of Pest Management and Conservation, where we're really interested in pest species, we're really interested in conserving species, and so we have a lot of research which is around observing animals. Where are they? How many are they? Are they increasing, decreasing in populations, and so on. We've actually even worked on leopards. I have had a student, Muhammad Asad from Pakistan. He was really into leopards, and we didn't know anything about leopards much from Pakistan. We knew there were some there. We didn't know what type they were because there's a bunch of different types of leopards. And so we wanted to know what they were. So we did some genetic studies and we were able to determine there were 2 different subspecies in Pakistan. But we also did a lot of camera work. So Muhammad would take these cameras out into the field and he would capture images of these leopards walking around. Now, the cool thing about leopards is they have spots, and those spots are basically like fingerprints. Each of the little rosettes of spots are quite different between individuals, and so we're able to determine individuals. We're able to say that's this particular individual. We see it walking past on many different days. We might even see it on different cameras that were 5 or 6 kilometres away. And so we were able, because of that, to figure out the local populations, figure out they're in low densities. We were able to see the changes between years when there'd been droughts and so on. So it was a very interesting piece of research, and I'm always thinking about it every time I see this painting as I walk past it. And so again, when I look at this particular painting, it kind of reminds me of all these things. I just think it's a really big, nice, bright painting, but there's a lot of things in there that really tie into the kinds of research that I've been doing here at Lincoln University.